So should we proceed further for the next problem? Now
Yes, sir.
again, okay, let us just give me the starting part, then you can proceed further. So for a discussion, first step in any problem of centroid is to check whether the object is symmetric or no. So is the object symmetric?
No, sir.
No,
No.
it is not
No.
symmetric. This is not symmetric. Hence, if it is not symmetric, where we select the reference point?
Sir, at the
Bottom.
bottom left.
Yes, at the bottommost left corner of the object. So this I will
Yes, sir.
select as my reference point. So with this I have told to myself or I have committed that whatever distance I will take from this particular point. Third step is to divide the entire object into minimum number of standard parts, for which I have already given you hint that wherever there is a curve, there will be either semicircle or quarter circle, and wherever there is an inclined line, there will be a triangle. So what are the standard parts?
Sir, one triangle, one rectangle, and one semicircle.
Perfect, simple. देखो यहाँ पर. This is an inclined line I can see. So wherever there is an inclined line, I can make a triangle here. So I will make a dotted line here. So this becomes my right angle triangle. Let us say this is my object number 1. Then here there is a curve. If I am getting a curve, it will be a semicircle or quarter circle. So if I draw this line, I will get a semicircle here. So let this be part number 2. And this automatically, see, you can see here, it becomes a square or rectangle. So it will be part number 3. So only the 3 parts, or there is something more?
Small circle, sir.
Small circle.
Yes, there is
So
one
a
small
small
circle. Yes, there is one small circle which is not in the shaded region. So what we will do?
Minus.
Minus
Yes,
it.
the area for this
Minus
circle will
wala,
be
sir.
negative. So there are 4 parts here. One is triangle, one is semicircle, rectangle, and a circle. So can you now proceed further with the solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let us start with the explanation part. Now the first part is the triangle. So for triangle we need height and we need base. So base is directly given to us as 3. And what about height? What will be the height of triangle?
3.
3. How you got it?
Sir, 1.5 radius there. So double the radius diameter of
Perfect,
3.
perfect.
So same is
Yes. So here you can see that the distance from this point to this point is given as 1.5. So this is nothing but this part, which is the radius of semicircle. So if this is 1.5, this will also be 1.5 radius of same circle. So this 1.5 and upside 1.5, the total height will be 3 mm or 3 meters. So it is a triangle of 3 by 3. Now again, we know that from the side making the right angle triangle, from the sides making right angle triangle, centroid lies somewhere here, which is at a distance of 3 by 3, h by 3, and base by 3, 3 by 3 again. Okay, but from which point? From this point. Okay, now I will locate this point in my figure. So it is here. So I know that from here the distance to here is how much? 1 meter. And from here to here also it is 1 meter. But I need distance from which point? I need distance from our reference. This is this point. So if from here to here it is 1, from here to here it will be how much?
2.
2. Any doubts to anyone in this part?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so it will be, let me write like this, 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. And what about y? From here to here only I want to travel. So how much it will be the distance?
1.
Directly it will be 1, because the distance here from here is 1. So y bar will be 1. And what will be area? Area is half into
Half.
base into
B
height.
into H. 4.5.
So it will be 4.5. So here I can do directly 4.5 into 2 is 9 and 4.15 into 1 is 4.5. This completes the entire thing for triangle. Now for semicircle. For semicircle we know that this line or this distance is how much? 4r by 3 pi. Now from which point? From this point. Now locate this point in our main figure, which is this one. Now from here to here the distance is 4r by 3 pi. सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक का 4r by 3 pi है. So from my reference, from here, what will be the distance?
6 plus
Yes, it will be 6
4r by
plus
3 pi.
4r by 3 pi. इट विल बी 6 + 4r/3 देखो यहाँ पर फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर डिस्टेंस इज 3, यहाँ तक आ गया 3 वॉक किया मैंने, फिर वापस और 3 वॉक किया तो क्या हो जाएगा 6, एंड फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर वी नो दैट इट इज 4r/3 so the total distance is x will be 6 plus 4 into r divided by 3 pi. And what about y? मेरे को यहां से यहां तक आना है. What about y? यहां से यहां तक का y कितना रहेगा?
1.5.
1.5.
Yes, it will be 1.5 exactly at the radius. So 1.5 here. And for area, I know that it will be pi into r square divided by 2. Okay. Now for this rectangle. Rectangle size is 6 by 3. If I am not wrong, yes, it is 6 by 3. Now we know that center lies or centroid lies somewhere here, which is at a distance of how much? From here to here it will be 1.5, and from here to here it will be 3. Okay.
3.
So from which point? From this point. Now locate this point here, which is this one, and centroid is somewhere here. Now I need to travel from here for my reference to this point. So it means I need this distance. यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना होगा? What will be this distance?
4.5.
How you got 4.5? Yes, it will be from here to here it is 3, and from here to here we know that it is 1.5. So it will be 3 plus 1.5, that is 4.5. So I will write it here also. It is 3.
सर उसका साइड 6 कैसे हुआ?
Side 6 कैसे हुआ? ये हाइट था. You are talking about this height. देखो रेडियस कितना दिया हमको सेमी सर्कल का?
1.5.
1.5. मतलब ये हाइट कितनी हो गई?
1.5.
1.5. ऊपर हाइट कितनी हो गई?
1.5.
1.5. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना हो गया?
3.
3 हो गया. बराबर. It will be 3. चलो. So 3 by 1.5 again it will be 3 by 2 it will be 1.5. Thank you for correcting. चलो. So 1.5. Now what about y? Y कितना आएगा for rectangle? Same. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का distance
1.5.
1.5. Directly I will write 1.5. And area will be 3 multiplied by
9.
3. 9. Okay. Now for circle. For circle, we know that centroid lies somewhere, not somewhere, exactly at the center. Okay, which is this point, center point. Now I need distance from this point to this point, and what will be that? It's very simple.
6.
It will be directly
6.
6. 3 plus 3. So directly I will write in x bar 6. And what about y? I have reached here. अब यहाँ से मुझे यहाँ जाना है ऊपर.
1.5.
1.5. That's it. 1.5. And what will be area? Area will be pi into
R.
r. And what is r?
1.5.
1.5.
1, sir.
2.
2. देखो यहाँ पर मिस्टेक होती है. प्लीज ऑब्जर्व हियर. हमको क्या दिया? देखो ये अच्छे से ये सर्कल बनाया है, और सर्कल को ऐसे कुछ तो साइड में करके ऐसा लिखा है phi is equal to 2 मीटर. This phi is nothing but diameter. This is a notation for diameter. Okay, this notation phi is for diameter. So if diameter of circle is 2 mm, what will be radius?
1.
1 meter. So you have to use 1 here. So pi into r square divided by nothing, because it is full circle. So pi r square. And what is missing here?
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not in the shaded portion. So now finally we have done with all the calculation. We will start with our final step, that is x bar is equal to summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai. And summation of ai xi is how much? Now again, while calculating, don't forget that this is minus. So add all this and subtract this value 18.84. And also give me answer for ai yi and ai. Yes, can someone give me these answers?
सर एरिया गलत है.
Yes, sir.
13.89 आएगा.
13.89 आता है.
13.89.
Plus
13.89.
Yes, 9 plus 4 13. 13 के आसपास आंसर आना चाहिए.
सर 3.53 माइनस 3.14 कर दो ना, ऐसी हो जाएगा वो.
हाँ वही बोल रहा ना, मैं भी वही अप्रोक्सीमेट किया.
18.58.
18.5. Yes, I was approximated to 1819 बराबर है. And what about area? Someone told कितना आ रहा है? 13.89.
13.89.
13.89. Okay. So AIXI will come as, I think, 54.06 divided by AI is 13.89. And how much I am getting the answer here?
4.21.
4.21.
21.
Okay. Similarly, I will write y bar is equal to summation of AI divided by summation of AI, which is equal to AI I got as 18.58 divided by 13.89. So it will be somewhere around
1.33.
1.33. So finally, I will write centroid of this shaded region is x comma y, that is 4.21 comma 1.33, and it was in meters. Okay, so this completes the problem.